guys, we're gonna make some oxtail today, and this time we're gonna make it without the butter bean. So this is the oxtail here. This is like 2 pounds. I also have some blended seasoning here that I'm gonna put on my meat. This is what it looks like. So let's get our seasoning together. So we have the all-purpose, and we're gonna mix the season together. So I'm gonna, in my dish, I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of my all-purpose. I'm mixing enough that I can leave some for later. I also have my grace ginger garlic pimento. Also gonna go in with tablespoon. I have my paprika. I'm gonna put teaspoon of paprika. So a teaspoon and a half. I also have some plain garlic powder. Teaspoon and a half. And we're just gonna combine. We're gonna use some now, and at the end we're gonna use the rest to re-season, because this oxtail is very hard to cook and you have to cook it for a little while. So we're gonna lose some of our flavors. All right. I also have my browning. So right now, I am going to put half of my seasoning on my oxtail. Just like that. And we're just going to leave the rest for later. Also going to put my blended seasoning. So here we go. This is also gonna leave some for later. So this blended seasoning mix is pretty much garlic, like 3 cloves of garlic, 2 small onions, 2 stalks of escallion, otherwise called spring onion, and some olive oil. So that's pretty much it, guys. So this I'll leave for later. I'm also gonna put my browning. It's gonna give me my color. Just like 2 tablespoons, not too much. Just gonna shake it up a bit. You don't want to put too much in it because, you know, it might turn out to be bitter. So just go easy with your browning. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. We're going to mix it up and we're going to put it to marinate for at least an hour. You can marinate this overnight, it is even better. But if you are pressed for time, I say give it an hour. Or you can just go ahead and, you know, start the cooking process. If you have a pressure cooker, you can cut the cooking in half by pressuring it. But if you slow cook it, it's gonna taste much better. Also, guys, I'm gonna put a little salt for now, just a little, like maybe a teaspoon. So, like I said, just like a teaspoon for now. You don't want to over salt. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix again. So this is looking good already. And this is what it looks like so far. So like I said, I'm gonna put this away. Wrap it over with some syrup. Put it in the refrigerator. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave it on the counter. It's not gonna go bad on the counter for an hour. I'm also gonna cut up 2 little pieces of my scotch bonnet. Not the seed, just around the seed. Just to infuse underneath what is marinating. Also a little black pepper. Not too much. Not a teaspoon. Also gonna go ahead and toss in 2 pimento seeds. Just like that. So that's it for now. So guys, an hour later, this is what my oxtail looks like. It's all marinated and ready to cook. So now it's on the stove on. And I'm going to just go ahead and pour some cooking oil. About like a tablespoon cooking oil. Just going to switch it around like this. And go ahead with my oxtail. So let's put the oxtail. I'm gonna let this fry up a little. So let my seasoning penetrate the meat. So this is what you call the gelling process. Just want it to soak up some of the seasoning. So we're gonna just let that gel up a little for about like 5 minutes. We're gonna add some water pretty soon. So I have some water here boiling on my stove over here, and I'm getting ready to pour some water in to start tenderizing my meat. So at this point I'm just stirring to infuse my season. In other words, I am just getting that brown color that we are looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and put my water in. it to the side. Because I don't want to mess with my color. So that's my whole reason for doing it. Then I just ease it up. Allow it to cook for at least an hour until tender. So it could be an hour or two. I'll see. So guys, the meat is all cooked for at least an hour plus. And I decided, okay, I'm gonna put some spinners, some dumpling spinners. So just a few. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my flour. I didn't put any salt in my flour because I'm gonna get its flavor from the gravy and all that. So it's just a quick mix. So all we have here is just flour. Plain flour, nothing else. No salt. So I'm not putting bean, but I'm just putting a little flour. So my flour is all needed. Also gonna put in the rest of my seasoning. So this is the seasoning that I left over earlier. This is what we have here. I'm gonna just put it there because we lost some flavors during the cooking process. I have some more chopped onion and escallion. This is what gonna build my gravy. So we're gonna put that there. I have my leftover blended seasoning. That goes in. I'm just gonna put a little water in it and shake out the cup. Because we don't want to lose any of this good blended seasoning. So we're just going to get everything out of the blender. I'm going to pour that in there. I'm going to wash my hands and go ahead and put my dumpling spinners. So I'm gonna give it a stir to get everything distributed. So now I'm gonna go in with my spinach. So this is gonna help also to thicken the gravy. You can make them in whatever shapes you want. You can make some rounders, some spinners. Be creative. I'm gonna put some little rounders there. These little dumplings gonna suck up the juices and taste very good. Flames up. And like I always say, taste your pot. Season to your taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste to see if I need some more seasoning or something. So far, I think it needs a little more salt. So this should be good. Little piece more thyme. So I'm going to put the lid on and leave it there for at least another 15 minutes. Flames and medium. So alright, let's see what is going on here. Wow, look at this. Looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Falling off the bone, oxtail. Look how lovely this looks. Just take a look. I need to come a little closer. Look how beautiful that is looking. Gravy is all thickened up. Nice consistency. Not too runny, not too thick. Just right. So now I'm gonna give it a taste. Last taste. To see where I'm at in terms of taste. Yeah, this is good. So this is what the dumpling is looking like at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this flame off. It is done. Guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sonia. Thanks for staying with me. Those of you that already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, share, comment. And if you got any value from this, please consider subscribing. So guys, this is your oxtail and I'm getting ready to serve. So I'm going to serve you with some nice basmati rice and peas. Just like that. That part is nice. Ready. This is actually falling off the bone. Let's get some of that. Let's put some gravy on that rice. Let's put a little gravy on that rice. Talk to me. Guys, if you learned something today, please subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sonia. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.